Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, after your pre-board exam, it's our first video. So let us begin this video with the discussion of your pre-board question paper. Okay? So here I am having your pre-board question paper and I am going to discuss grammatical part of this question paper. Okay, so we are going to discuss grammatical part of this question paper. All the answers to MCQs have already been discussed with you, have already been sent to you. Okay, so today we are first of all we are going to discuss the grammatical part of this question paper, which is of 10 marks. Okay, so let us begin with the question number 5. Choose the correct options. Choose the correct options. Choose the correct options to fill the blanks to complete. To fill the blanks to complete the note about. To complete the note about tree transplantation. Tree transplantation. Okay. Let us write the paragraph. Trees transplantation trees transplantation. First blank. Difficult. Difficult. Experts say. Experts say only a few species. Experts say only a few spices. Experts say only a few spices survive the process. Survive the process, which involves special machines. Which involves special machines to carefully remove trees. To carefully remove trees along with some sail. Along with sail, along with some sail, and the roofs before they, and the roofs before they now second blank, their alternate destination, their alternate destination, the government a list of impaneled technical impaneled technical agencies technical agencies that will ensure the moved that will ensure the moved trees survive. The moved trees survive. Okay. So now the options, as you know, if you are having the question paper, first option is known to be, B option is are known to be, C is known to be, D was known to be. So known to be is not possible here, so A is not possible. Okay, A is not possible at any cost. Are known to be trees plantation. So plantation is singular, so also this one is not possible. Is known to be, yes, it is possible. Was known to be, it is also possible, but the passage is about present. So which one more appropriate? C. Okay. So the correct option is C. Okay. The correct option is C. That is known to be. Okay. Now, for the second blanks, options are A is moved to, B are moved to, C shall move to, D were moved to. Okay, so let's check. Second option, say and the rules before they. So they is plural, so there should be plural verb. So there is only one plural verb here, are moved to. Were moved to is also plural, but were moved to, were is used in past. So this passage is about present. So which one is correct? Are moved to. Are moved to is correct. Okay. So here are moved to. Which option it is? B. Okay. Now, the government impaneled technical agencies that will ensure the move trees survive. So options are for the third one: A will come out with, B will come out, C shall come out, D has come out with. So here will come out and shall come out are not possible. Let's check between A and D which is more suitable. You, dear students, you will always find two such options which you find they both seem to be the correct one, but we always should choose the option which is the most suitable. So between third and between A and D, which one is most suitable? Yes, D has come out with. It is most suitable. Okay, so it's all about question number 5th. Now I'm going to rub it and discuss question number 6th. Question number 6, based on direct and indirect narration. So in the picture, two boys have been shown. So in the picture, two boys have been shown. Boy 1. The question number 6, let me write here first. Choose the correct options. Choose the correct options to fill in the blanks, to complete, to fill in the blanks. It is not clear here. So already you are having the question paper, so you can write it. Okay. I am going to write the conversation. Boy 1. Boy 1. What does boy 1 say? Which book are you reading, Joseph? Which book are you reading, Joseph? Okay. Boy 2. Modals are actually weak verbs. Modals are actually weak verbs. Modals are actually weak verbs, but much interesting. But much interesting. Now again boy 1. What are the uses of models in our practical life? What are the uses of models in our practical life? What are the uses of models in our practical life? We can do without models. We can do without models. Boy 2. Boy 2. I know models help people express. I know models help people express some specific conditions. Express some specific conditions go and read models. Go and read models. Okay. Now let us write the paragraph. I found Joseph reading something. I found Joseph reading something when I now first line, he replied that when I first line reading, he replied that models are actually weak verbs. Models are actually weak verbs. Models are actually weak verbs but quite interesting. But quite interesting. I further in our practical life, in our practical life, in our practical life, I also made him aware that I also aware that we can do without models. That we can do without models. That we can do without models. So let us do it, then I will rub it, then I will write the rest part. Okay? Okay, so I found Joseph, it is PH, sorry, Joseph reading something when I, the options, said to him which book he was, B, replied him which book he was, C, asked him which book he was, D, told him which book he was. So he asked him, because it's a question, which book he was reading. Okay, so which option is correct? C. C option is correct for the first one. Asked him which book he was. Asked him which book he was. Asked him which book he was. For the first one. For the second blank, I further, so option A, for the second blank, option A, inquired what the uses of models are, B, told what the uses of models are, C, asked what the uses of models are, D, explained what the uses of models are. So we all know that here told cannot be possible, explain cannot be possible. So either A or C can be possible. So let's check which one is most suitable. So asked we use when we ask any question. So here he is inquiring about model. So which one is more suitable? A. Okay. Inquired what the uses of models are. So for the second one, option A is correct. What is option A? Inquired what the uses. Inquired what the uses of models are. Okay. Let me write the rest part. After without models, I am going to rub it as you are having your question paper. So let me rub it and write down as you people are having the question paper. Yes. On hearing this, let me write the remaining part. On hearing this, he surprised me by saying that. He surprised me by saying that. He surprised me by saying that he knew models help people. He knew models help people express some specific situations. specific situations. At last he models. Okay, the options are: A, advised me go and read; B, said to me go and read; C, told me go and read; D, advised me to go and read. So let us find out the most suitable option here. So advised me go and read cannot be possible here. Said to me go and read also cannot be possible here. Told me go and read, it is wrong here. Advised me to go and read. So option D for the third one. D is correct. Advised me to go and read. Okay, advised me to go and read. Okay, so already you people are having the question paper, so you must have marked your answers. I am going to rub it and write down question number 7. Which is fill in the blanks by choosing fill in the blanks by choosing the correct options for any 4 of the 6 options, for any 4 of the 6 options given below. Okay, so any 4 you will have to do. There are 6. Okay, so let me write the first one. Schools that have only teachers who knew the language well. It should be no, not new, sorry. Who know the language well seek the help of other schools. Seek the help of other schools. Seek the help of other schools. Okay, so options are: a few may, a few can, a few should, and less some. So which is your the most appropriate? Yes, option A, that is a few, and here may. Okay, so schools that have only a few, it should be W. A few teachers who know the language well may seek the help of other schools. Okay. So it's all about today's class, dear students. We will be continuing with question number 7 in the next video too. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. See you tomorrow.